O COVID-19 jorao Shillongo pori tongnai Asma Jomatia bai Ria Debramano Bubagrani Subamung bai khai borok nogo kipli mangkha aboni bagai borok bubagrano hamjagai kha kufur bai khai borok bubagrano hambaya pharka o mangpli no naine di dai khana ne di
Khulumphai jatana anbumongke Asma Jomatia
Anbumke Ria Debrama
Balaika hambachin bubagrano chingmamhai situation no help khana bagai.
As we are stuck in Shillong for so long because of our exam has been postponed twice by now, and in this war situation in the pandemic of COVID-19, our Bubagra has helped us very kindly by his humbleness to all the citizens of Tripura, and he has treated everyone equally. We are very thankful to him. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hambai Pelekino. And the Borok Jino contact Kai help Kainai. Sir Kisan Deberma Poni Asike politeness Paino Jung Tabok Kaham Kinoko Firok Maneka Pelekina Hambai.